Before the first nail is hammered, before browsing tile samples and paint decks, there's a stage of the design process most homeowners overlook, and it's the one that can make or break your project. Pre-construction interior design planning isn't the glamorous part you see on Pinterest, but it's where your home's story really begins. It's where we think through flow, function, lighting, materials, and all the details to make your house work for your life long before the walls are framed. Hey everyone, I'm Lesley Myrick, interior designer and business coach. I design personality-driven forever homes for professional families in the Middle Georgia area and beyond. If you're planning to build or remodel your forever home, this is where the magic truly happens before construction starts. When starting a new home build, most homeowners assume they need an architect and builder first and a designer later. But in reality, the best outcomes come when the designer is part of your build team from day one. Design decisions made early, like where outlets are placed, how cabinetry aligns with the windows, or how the kitchen layout supports your family's daily routine, impact every phase that follows. When these conversations happen after construction starts, changes are costly and frustrating. When they happen before, they're seamless. At Lesley Myrick Interior Design, we approach pre-construction like a blueprint for beauty and function. We partner with architects and builders early to make sure the interior layout supports how you live and every design detail has purpose. Our design process is both strategic and creative because the best homes are equal parts method and magic. During pre-construction, we will review and refine floor plans to ensure the flow feels natural and intentional, create scaled elevations so that cabinetry, windows, and finishes all align perfectly, specify fixtures and finishes from tile and lighting to cabinet hardware so that your builder has everything needed before breaking ground. And finally, number 4, we coordinate with contractors and trades to translate design visions into technical plans. The result? A project that runs smoother, looks cohesive, and a home that reflects you at every turn. Luxury isn't about how much you spend. It's how effortless your home feels once you move in. That effortless feeling comes from intentional planning. Pre-construction interior design planning eliminates guesswork, prevents mid-build surprises, and ensures every inch of your home supports your lifestyle. It's the ultimate form of peace of mind for busy professionals who don't have time for constant site decisions. When you invest in expert planning up front, you save time, money, and endless "I wish we had done that" conversations months later. Your forever home isn't just a layout, it's a vision being brought to life. If you're dreaming about building or remodeling, now is the time to start the conversation. Let's design your home with purpose from the very beginning so that when construction starts, every detail already feels right. Here's to a home that's as functional as it is beautiful, designed with a clear method and just a little magic. Ready to begin building your forever home the right way? I have a fantastic tool for you. Our brand new free guide, Design Like a CEO, provides proven delegation strategies to manage your remodel or new build like a pro without sacrificing time, style, or control. Head to lesleymyrick.com to access your free guide.